Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I am hopeful that all of you shall be fine and in very good mood. Dear students, today I am going to discuss part 2 of functional English that was related with tenses. As we have already discussed that there are three main tenses. The one is called past tense, the other is called present tense, and the third one is called future tense. These three tenses are further divided into 4 each, so we have 12 subtenses. You have to remember always that main tenses are 3 and subtenses are 12. Because past tense is further divided into 4, in which we have studied past simple, and today we are going to discuss past progressive or past continuous tense. So this is the second subclass of main past tense, but we should try to know the main idea by defining a term. So past progressive or continuous tense is defined the tense in which an action or actions was / were taking place in past time. Dear students, if we study the definition, we will come to know that tense is always dealing with verb forms, because we have already explained that tense is derived from the word tempus. Tempus means time of an action, and action is always represented by verb. So, in which an action means when the subject is singular. When the subject is singular means that the doer of an action, which is known as subject, if that is singular, or if the subject of the sentence is plural, so then we go for the use of action. If subject is singular, then we will go for the use of helping verb, that is called was. Was is used with singular, and if the actions are performed by the subjects which were plural, so we will go for the use of verb. Taking place in past time. In past time means, so the students, you know that we have already explained that there are 3 categories of the time. One is called past, which is no more. One is present, in which we are doing something, and one will be future, in which we will do something. So, if we study every tense by definition, we will come to know about the structure. This is called the structure of past progressive. Past progressive, subject singular. Subject means doer of action. Doer of an action is called subject. If the subject is singular, singular is derived from the word single. Single means one. So, with singular subject, we will go for the use of was. After was or helping verb, there will be used V1. V1 stands for first form of verb. First form of verb. Then there must be ing. Where there is the word continuous or there is the word progressive, there must be used ing plus object may or may not. These 2 dots represents may or may not. But in other case, if the subject or the doer of action is plural, plural is derived from the word poly. Poly means more than one. If we study polytheist, polythene bag, etc., etc., so we will go for the helping verb plural, that is called word, then there will be V1, there will be ing, and there will be object may or may not. Examples: subject singular plus was plus V1 plus ing plus subject may or may not. Example is teacher was teaching English. So teacher is singular, and with singular we go for the use of singular helping verb, and this phenomena is called concord. Concord or subject verb agreement. Subject plus verb agreement. It means that if the doer of the action is singular, so verb should also be singular, but if the subject is plural, verb should always be plural. So here teacher is singular, we have gone, or we have used was teaching, teach, taught, teaching English. Subject plural, we will go for the use of plural helping verb, keeping this concord in mind. Plus V1 plus ing plus object may or may not. Here you can see that teachers were playing cricket. So this is the structure and the examples of past progressive or past continuous tense. Dear students, you should remember this, that don't follow the structure of Urdu while performing or practicing tenses, because there is a huge difference between the structure of Urdu and English. Always try to learn English while thinking in English, while speaking in English, while writing in English. So think in English, speak in English and write in English. Then you will be able to get your required result. So please, it's for you, my hope, my dreams and my students. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, pass your comments, because in future you will get more and more informative videos regarding English. Thank you very much.